close when I tell you. Okay. Sweetheart, you need to calm down, okay?
Adua, young quite so much my corn work.
Yeah. I said a little bit now the slide one we are changing.
Adua, open to my call.
Okay. Now I don't have the right.
Come on. Hey, Otomo, Mr. Bye. So, Yanko.
Marcus.
Yanko.
Leave me alone. Do you know the person I'm speaking with?
Only a fan who by. Huh? Ah, Yanko, baby, you know Otomo Janafon, so that family. What do you Yanko? Mr. Tam, La Pamo Bear 40 minutes. What do you Yanko?
At the end of how?
Some said, Yen Hamid. The Sharem Aboda. Who was a Bema wouldn't if you have provide him out, said Yen Hamid.
Marcus, no, you wouldn't say you have a big problem. You have a very big problem. When your phone call, I would make pick but maybe your phone call I can't pick up, right? What do you mean?
Me pick Abraham me baby. Abraham waste too time. Wouldn't how long I will you make up, always fix it with wouldn't how long it take here. A day, Bonnie Ben and ye.
Sisi, I know dear. What problem with any activity be a little of you? You say what bring? You are tired with me, right? What bring me? Catch it.
My brother was saying.
So what bring me? I will go inside and pack my things and leave your house. It's very simple. Marcus.
When you're there,
I am not going again. Why?
Upon the time I was saying now. Can't was saying me and Kawan Casa.
Marcus. Marcus. Oh, I'm a pal. Oh, anytime you know I am a very young girl. I don't think I am Miss. Eh?
Me na make a son.
No, I am.
Sine.
Obi and you know what? She can't make no casa.
Sine,
Marcus, missing me copy. Me copy him to bet near my apple. What did Sammy were inside the sun? A person, a watching a dead. Now you don't want me to look good. Me not phone calls, so I can't pick up a phone call. Are they?
Oh, the way now is.
One more watching here. Try me. Marcus, try me.
What the man?
You say, you just try me. So I'm watching here. Try me.
Sister, something give me an old threat to me.
I am not joking with you. Try me. Marcus, this is what we have.
It's when our family and out of bed.
Me the best you was who say I'm saying I may your love. Are they?
Madam, Yanko.
I am not going. Do your best.
Who care for me so? Metima juma me na twia fa me so. Abraham se sanase. As shanu kunfu. Ha. And the man say na nim kura na nyamia. Oy, ubu me say. Huh? Ubu me say. E dia tantan dia na oye no wani mo kire me.
Marcus.
Huh?
Marcus.
What's sorry I'm not wasting my time and don't walk baby. What you with him? That would you with him. Oh, but some me up on wood in a phone so no tomo be because I'm not catch it was on your way and you're right. For boom mammy as a man, as a penny more was unlimited. Not just like why I also a near thing. Ask town nearby you are. It will no now person watch me and a wood dear care family so a doer. Why am I that wall? My poor limpa, mess when you want here because it's patrol and after when you.
Marcus, what about me?
Ha! And try me. Who is some fool?
Messi and Cappy.
Over Yama and over to send me young Copema.
Who
Who you mistake? Me no but to sell me your I mean who mabo.
Never in your life. I no can be just how about me.
Mako.
Marcus.
What be Marcus? Me be cheerful somebody have to shoot when this one papa when you here.
Cheerful me say ya hwehwe mani so. Me na wa be ni kuta me. Jifa hwehwe mani so. Me be mo amemene wo sesa para. Wo me mo amemene wo se agu yam sapara.
Who betimi di way abom me? Huh? Who betimi di way abom me?
Marcus, don't try me.
Jina ne jani a wo kire no.
Oh, really?
Hwe. O de bra. O be ba to me.
Marcus. Who think I'm playing with you? Who feels me no would ya bro? Who feels me no would ya bro? Marcus. We were full like you were for my usisia.
Ampa.
Like you were for my usisia.
Ampa.
Marcus.
What's wrong?
I am not free to do what you are bro here. How? I am not free to do what you are bro here. Come here.
What me so think what? O de be wo be ma wo ba besia. Na chese wunya me abekumi. Officer.
Yes, ma'am.
And then the Yamia Mamua and Canadian Metuan and Anu and Siedo. Officer, Obedia de said, Obey you could jam me. Namin Concord Jimmy Newman and Nippon Free Airport about Bitu. I was a Michiano Name Jimmy Newman and then Nippon Kobe be a Oko Sunyan. Baby Bakopena Oko Jamino. We twini tirima me ko kanya afin wo yi ni makeup obeje de se me betana ho baako me sa ko ya second time osre me oba third time me ko ya afin na all yi makeup ni yi officer wa mama tima tenase ahwe Van Dam part 1 2 and 3 up to 6 na balwe cc no wie na we na o ye me ne na hwesoa omyenko no officer o babes na me akwa phone ta na so wa ma magina dan chem be 30 minutes
like what's the case now with the singing
officer complain na me yama me officer ni tietie mu nyina no wa tweme so pentoa am officer se man dwane a wa tweme so pentoa am officer se man dwane a because no si to pentoa no ma ne fa mafuru mu kakra bi no enye me na me ho ha na me huri gina nchen enkelen ka monti asempa officer me sere ofra me fro no me de me ho hye monsa se bibia to me abayo an ma monfa ne ho nche no
okay
me sere mo pa
okay please I really know you want us to arrest her
officer enye echi asem na mo me report na ma mo se bibia to me a
is a kind of threat what train to also
me pa cho sa
it's clean
sa
so I have to make sure say everything is in order
no cre officer
so in this case we have to come there
officer Mr. O de me am e ko hese me meka me nioma down but the titru ne se bibia to me a abayo amamo mfa ne ho nche no me twapo mama na se me tenten
mind you like I think she keeps on doing this and always I was in Chicago and I'm Jai and I'm baby but I want to swear every kind of thing maybe the man to be there or say that
officer ne wo kan gum
one report I said let me do my work
officer Mr. Abotre bronsam ho oden bronsam de be hye ni mu me hwese me kan me nioma down by say ne abayo ano bibia ne be sie nioma ya wotentam ehu no ntina
some days why don't you leave here so on some don't have to report just leave here long for the break of the ball some
officer me kuso ye nioma
you are just telling me
officer Mati wo futu. Why? So the some media me de me ho hye won sa. Why? Bibia ni a mama fa ba yo an ho nche no. Mati me da se pa. Ube kumi. Watwe me so pentua. Je so wo to ye no nya me na mesua karat kakra. E na wo to ye na me aw na me gina nchen a. Kaba na ma ube kumi. Me kapo mama na se me tente.
Why you running? Why you leaving? Why you breaking up? I don't answer. Why you running? Why you leaving? Why you breaking up? I don't answer. Call me OTJ, me up here. Like nobody business. I know they sleep around. God be my witness. Like nobody business. I know they sleep around. God be my witness. Why you running? Why you leaving? Why you breaking up? I don't answer.
Sweetheart. Marcus.
Yes.
When you say we both administration, do you see be a fachele? Hello. I said I'm sorry. Please forgive me, okay? Shall we cry?
Men kasa. Wouldn't send me away. Who bet you make comedy and son one. Me you was ya dear Kakrebia. Who must me ye bearman to what's up with me bearman, some Emma me ye. Some pomme boa fukrana me quiet, chima me quiet. Now dear fat I will walk or down. Abraham me cuckoo, now would you cruise me?
Relax.
And Marcus, Miss
I am sorry. I'm sorry.
And Cassandra, when yet for the first time, what threatened me, be as well with the aim. Oh, you're bad. I don't know. Me cry me a bear man, was a yes. Who be a better be a dear.
Matthias, your brother before, but when you say me, I don't mean all of those. Me yes, I came to defend myself. Breakfast time here, you win me. I am sorry.
Ibedi, minim ni you.
Oh, Marcus.
Me the come on. Nothing. Me na me come in chimu and you be one say me that form. Oh, hey, mama ko.
Marcus, it's you just say me to me ayos. I meet me the would and
no man I wo je no beti my na yesi ni sa.
Ah, David, you don't think like that.
I'm me ho da e de me dan. Ne kura ma ntimi ameda bedroom.
It's yeah argument like feel or don't know.
That day I will hear no was shocking me. What I could bottle. Who be me?
And I'm going to be about why you're normal to our body. You're normal, but all the same, you have to forget about everything. Why? It's real. We are grown-ups, we can solve our own differences.
And you're some me dog pa. Can you know my sister when you want to?
I remember about you. I love you so much.
You send me dog. To Caribbean or be plan. Down all the idea of bombing are quite. Are they? One of them mind will be as.
Sitting one, me and general fries.
Fully agree on my mammy and
Fully agree. Favorite.
For super cook at Krapu.
From
a money boss.
Okay.
Me do we are not your company, Nama, and Radiana, the same.
Hey, Marcus.
Who you can new ram me so. Got dump a man, never possible harder. Why? We have a shaving stick living in man. Why?
Okay. Now, Benekiro. Okay. You're all fall down. No respect. Don't mind your fucking father. 3 steps. Flash screen. Any ekumuk. What's a ekumuk?
You okay? Come to me now. Yeah, sister. Messisa will nine a woman hand me hand.
And no friend of him, Rebel.
Yeah, me be Rebel.
Okay.
We are my Rebel. Why?
Hey, Marcus. It's what media will say. Eh?
I'm a driver.
Hey!
Yeah, the fair man is so I'm a condo.
Marty.
Right.
Alright.
And the message was my dear son. And can't James a wabru. Open a cry, baby. Feel free to me, I'm saying so. Why?
Yeah.
Hey! What's this so? I mean, don't go up and tell me. We are married with them. We will buy it to me. You will not take it. We are not the same so. What do you?
Neggars.
I see how do you remember media one chill. I below.
Eh, oh, Joe Homena.
What do you mean to me? You shall be asking. The boy? The damn ever quack home.
Marcus.
I said, I could not say, Accusations were the name. My brains were coming dead.
You're very good.
Like, Star and I was a son of Gumi had met my comb. I'm in Sergeant. And then maybe die no mean yes, Star. Mamma, you control it.
Somehow back can you have a certificate?
What? Oh, man, I should die here. You heard you not come. And Yaji, and you know, do away no maybe out of my jade at home. And come here, Bema, come here, my mammas.
Marcus, say ya near corner, using if you have a peaceful.
And is a young combu.
Ay, and Tokora. And not then, your dan, I say, Yana, your companion, I have a on
or died and Yan and Toko. Your corn or done so. Then run to cock a grave. I said you was a ginger me and you made. No, could you did it? There be no weapon. No, could say now what you may start saying, yeah.
Eh.
But in him, my son was young many agent. I'm more surprised with the mom.
Oh, surprise.
Yeah.
I really love surprises.
Yeah, my boys be there. And you be able to make money, didn't you?
Okay.
So can I be on some more favorite?
Okay.
Bet you when you bet J. Now, promise me so on Sakan. Watching any way. No, me, yeah, nana, the action.
I promise.
Miss you so sad, coughing sad, you bet you.
Miss you, we see. Ah.
And then I'm out there, Bano. A banswa, and you won't come out there. Be and come.
Marcus, are you sure of what you are saying? I really love surprises, so.
Yeah. I'm in Peso be home. Oh, mammy, you're tossing me, and I'm share about also. And I'm here call. Me call online, I'm order, you know. It's within the 24 hours now, we do about Musabe Kanich and
Okay.
Yeah, DHL phone at the baby.
Okay.
You could you cover no beer, kama.
Let me think. Oh, I have no idea.
Can be mammy.
Is it an iPhone?
Kawe ya from home, but wait.
Sorry.
Yeah.
Is it a laptop?
Say laptop crack and it is an iPhone still. And I'm saying,
oh, and something big, then it's really a surprise, Ampa.
That's why I'm saying that it is a surprise.
Okay.
Into what year? Come to him. And you bring your wife, and ever since I'm no better than you, when you say that. I'm never rub me. A rummy about could be cruddy a war, member.
Can you fainty?
And you know, I'm in the Jamia. A kama kuma. Na mnim se sa obeti mi pia be mama ne kama kuma sa. Ka woti makoma. Na me wie ye na me hwese ni me hwena no tutu me ho me twe. Na nso me si me nyae ne me sa ye bi mu no. Na me se wo se me chawade.
Well, you say you may love.
Hey. Hi rading. And she want to so do be desa. Na ansana wo sabe card ye. I promise you, say me your hand.
And then me kwaji.
There be. Me you when you kosuya. Ne sundruwa na ma your hand achiro kwan. Na me your doormat. Ada for mama wa. Obiti am so abra wo nine enka bosina.
E bed die. E ba tase wo bebu no.
Na wo do mood. Said that the same.
Chesa mai.
Echi.
Odonna chimisana intino miya wanunsu. Miya wanunsu yo. Odoyedo. Odone from any esima so. Let me went yo. Oba you ma de ya my monk.
Come on.
The teacher na mommy on married.
Good was a bad mommy. I dream ed you, but who don't see? Be shame to do number four. Now me boya me ya dream no free me and I.
Now we see two and I was in your
oh, don't take me saying that grandpa.
You're sure.
You're very sure.
That's one money. Bobby, the other thing. Yeah. What I was so. It be the dough way I get in, they make man, they envy me. That's one money. But I they hustle, my hustle to bring me the money. Me and loyal, they hating, we winning. Damn it, we balling, we living. We cruising, we chilling. My band that be dope, so you see me. We ballin'. The blood clotting, we ballin'. We ballin'. All night along, we ballin'. We ballin'. My nigga be Asha, we ballin'. We ballin'. They know my name, we ballin'. I say we ballin'. That's why me the name, we ballin'. Say we ballin'. That's why me the name, we ballin'.
Boss. Calco.
We ballin', the blue clotting, we ballin'.
Yeah, what's mine?
No man.
What's that? You know, first time I
Oh, anyone this one. And paying for say, and yet down the two and born a child slow from, and yet I don't know puffing this. So, one we have your come on. First time I
who said
first time I wouldn't be a boss of Jayewa. Never be did.
now let's see.
Huh?
Oh, that's a word, bitches. Oh, that's how we
Then how?
Madam,
Yeah, that's a man.
Sister Bibi.
I say, oh, the pan with the most concessions.
So, Busami, say a dear nurse. What did you know, boys? Mama did you 200 cities. Now also, Swabana. What you mean?
Can I give you a road?
Master from Sika Mammy.
Sister, I'm a mother.
First, you can't mammy now.
Come here, if it is save you. Shall we get your time? And your children. Yeah, I must say, you're
sorry, no master. What do you need your boss? Never from Sika Mammy.
Sister, what the better way? Maybe I'm a mamma to have your wife. I don't want to find a mamma, they can't maybe take our movie.
Adwa, men facade and only had one with your boss here.
Customer care. This time you can go wide.
Remember to one this. I said, oh, someone make a sister. Say, yeah, also we're done.
No,
I said, oh, sister,
what's so? Yo, why, bruh? Neggars, I don't know what.
Let me be so as who you know with Dominican or what's your minimum power? What's your say? What's it down, Honoma?
What's it down? If you're in color,
blue and white.
Story building. Did you run over?
Did you run down? The friend is 16 niggas. By the Bianca party of me.
16 niggas.
16 niggas. By the Bianca saw my made the man and the crew.
That's
Neggars.
You couldn't say you're wise. Boy, you're not wise at all. You're a few more fun on me. And you can't have the idea. Just a couple 2 days, we never been trained. And when you cook, you be about boy, we go. So open a hard way, but on a hard way. On the iron. Before I son, I was a food. Any picture on you shall be a pot down and son or two.
I can't kill him.
But okay, report why I found.
Baby,
Adua. Bahona mama nya baako.
Marcus. Ode.
The person me baako aba me kon.
Ese we baako. Me nukum.
Adua woni kum sese. Mama nya na me na emi ntimi na misro. Adua.
Marcus.
So minim ni abo.
Why?
Adua. Wo ye dey awabre. Uma pese obema me kwan ma me ni wada.
Marcus. She mama ye. My brain. Mr. Let me relax. Oh.
Wo dey da hona me ya me. Why?
Why do you say be am go with more than that when I'm brain?
Me so dey da hona me ya me. Da hona me ya me. Nye wo na wo yi o.
Marcus, my brain. Ma hwe adwuma o ma me ye.
Adwuma na hia.
Ma wo fu ayem kwan. Asa ye studio chef fridge. Why would you say being still when easy? Ejina wona so sa me na ni nyina hihye me. Sisi so cry me ya.
Mr. Adua menche. Why? Would ma me famura na me. Why, Mr.
For me kasa be wa wo ngo. Ye me no painting na mama na gi de me nsa ba akwa wo.
Adua me di ram na mayi. Would you say me di ram na me pia so me nsa kra why you free? Why, Mr. Adua Mr.
Marcus.
I say, I don't know what some can say. Would it be ever can be? I just say, young tokwa.
Some care they say. Adia such time.
Now, dear son, dear son, me no who quite me no water. Sa dear son.
My bread. Mean to me.
What bra me so my bread? There was a me ye. You know, ya bread. Oh, ye still we miss me my year to ma. Me could do dog garden more. There was a me ye. That one Marcus. Dear son, I was so be at and by this time. Do I you me no one I mean to see it.
Stop it! A day! It's all person for some enemy.
There be on to interfere. When I worry me and I summon another water.
I cannot be so which they say.
Which I say. What did you me bottom man? I mean, I did do bottom.
And now I am Bema, and now I don't have any right to take a decision for myself. A day.
Mr. Wabrow, the man, if I'm mean Piasso Rumians, how the one you send me a room crab to me, Miss Row.
May hire me.
We are there where you are.
May a day, sir, why am I as I say? May Nantina catch you who are 8 me away.
What am I so before?
Marcus, I am not doing it. Me yet. I force her now. Me yet. Tell me.
Do I know about the man? Me na me ntiase e kwa bia so me ne beda.
Ade. E dia ben kwa na sensen wa ha enwusa. The bia je sai e ben kwa ma bre na ba sem na.
Wo mu ade o. No be anyone.
Marcus, can you please let me be?
And you will patch this old mammy who come out in the wonder. There be a weird nipa. Won ko ade na ye wo. Enti da bia time ba kopa me no mi ye enti what ade ento kwan funu.
E de na ha me wo so de na ha.
E ka me ba wo no wa ma me ho kwan ka me nwie.
Wo so de na ha.
Tam na wo de na te ba. Tam na wo de na te ba ka me nwie.
De bia wonye.
Ah?
Me si de bia me ma wonya ana.
Na nche ba me kon ho a wo ma me nye. Me wo mood nim. Wo ma me nye.
Ma bre. Okay, ma bre.
Me so me kododo ga di mo ma bre. Enso me pese me ye. Ade.
Wonim de wo ka.
We ka tam na wo de yes wo ma me nye no. Eti nka wo me ba wo na wo ba mu a me nka me nwie ma wo na e. Ah? Wo pese wo da ma me nye.
Marcus, tell me.
Me ko waso mo.
Me bra wo.
Wo be ti ma bra me. Me ko waso.
Marcus. O de be me na shade me se wani huma be me na shade ade me se ma bre e wo sa wo ti ase se ma bre so let me relax wo se da di rough way na shade
Nti ade ba ko pena wa momuka wa ntomaku wa nto jeni enchini entwima nkase wa bo ho ka ntiro o ma menye.
You still have mouth to talk. You still have mouth to talk. Me beju wafu na asa 1 million ponche ne be 300,000. Me beju na ma wati. Marcus adai. Adai won ko awe ye de be nipa. Enti e na ko a no wan fa so a bibi be ye wo. Wo be wa firi ase. Ye, e na kwa wan fa so be wa firi ase. Mamenta. Ope ha da ha. Na me koda bedroom. Ope bedroom so akoda bedroom na me na. A your option, choose one. And let me be. Ade.
Uma menye wo se ba be da me na so. Ni pa poni ni pa.
Ani o sanka be kwa koda. Na ha jinsa.